Hello Universe! So after naming manood ng Battle of the Bands sa International School of Manila, we decided to go to Alabang. Pupunta kami sa isang bar. Naririnig nyo na ba yung 9 bar? Kasi
We are bar guys.
kala ko bar, so later. So ito na nga, we're about to enter bar named
Bar
Na-
night because we usually go to bar to have some chocolate bars.
Okay, let's enter. Actually, kaya kami pupunta rito. Yung brother ni Best Grace ay performer dito sa bar. So, ano lang kami, maglilitis lang kami ng banda. It's not about the part that, you know, others think na, alam niyo yun, hindi ganun. Nanonood lang kami ng performance ng banda. Light ha?
Shoes